The internet today, a vast and interconnected world where information flows freely and we can connect with anyone, anywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes this all possible? What's the underlying structure that allows us to navigate this digital landscape with such ease? Domain names like Google.com make websites easy to find. They're the friendly faces of the internet, the names we type into our browsers to access the information and services we need. These names are not just random words, they're carefully chosen and registered, acting as unique identifiers for websites across the globe. Without them, we'd be stuck memorizing long strings of numbers. Imagine having to remember a series of digits every time you wanted to visit your favorite website. It would be a chaotic and frustrating experience, making the internet far less accessible and user-friendly. Domain names provide a crucial layer of abstraction, simplifying the way we interact with the digital world. Now, picture Web3, the next evolution of the internet. A new user-empowered internet built on blockchain. This decentralized web promises greater control over your data, enhanced privacy, and new opportunities for creators and innovators. It's a world where users are not just consumers, but active participants in the network. In this world, we need new kinds of addresses that are as unique and empowering as the technology they represent. The traditional domain name system, while effective for Web 2, may not be ideally suited for the decentralized nature of Web 3. We need solutions that are secure, user-friendly, and seamlessly integrated with blockchain technology. Enter .pi domains. These are special names for the Pi network, a global cryptocurrency and ecosystem designed to be accessible to everyone. The Pi network aims to create a more inclusive and equitable digital economy, and .pi domains play a crucial role in achieving this vision, ending in .pi instead of .com. This simple change signifies a shift towards a new paradigm, a web where users have more control and ownership. It's a visual cue that indicates you're interacting with the Pi network ecosystem. Think of a .pi domain as your all-in-one digital identity for Web 3. It's more than just a name. It's your gateway to the decentralized world, your personal brand in the Pi network ecosystem. It's a way to establish your presence and connect with others in a secure and user-friendly manner. It links your Pi wallet, the secure digital vault where you store your Pi cryptocurrency. This connection allows you to easily send and receive Pi, participate in the Pi network economy, and access various decentralized applications, social profiles and apps, creating a unified online presence. Imagine being able to access all your favorite Pi network applications and services with a single, memorable domain name. This seamless integration simplifies the user experience and promotes greater adoption of the Pi network. No more juggling complicated addresses. Forget about copying and pasting long strings of characters. .pi domains offer a human-readable alternative that's easy to remember and share. Just say, send Pi to myname.pi, simple and memorable. This ease of use is crucial for attracting new users to the Pi network and fostering a thriving community. .pi domains make crypto as easy as sending an email. This simplicity removes a major barrier to entry for many people who are intimidated by the complexity of traditional cryptocurrency transactions. They remove the fear of mistakes and make the Pi ecosystem accessible to everyone. By simplifying the process of sending and receiving Pi, .pi domains empower users of all technical backgrounds to participate in the digital economy. It's more than a name, it's your passport to a user-friendly, decentralized internet. It's your key to unlocking the full potential of the Pi network and participating in a new era of digital ownership. With one identity, you can navigate Pi apps, send and receive Pi, and build your reputation. As you actively participate in the Pi network, your .pi domain becomes associated with your contributions and interactions, building a valuable reputation within the community. As the Pi ecosystem grows, your .pi domain becomes a valuable digital asset. Its value is tied to the growth and adoption of the Pi network, making it a potentially lucrative investment for early adopters. It's your chance to claim your spot in the future of the web. By securing your .pi domain, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of the Web3 revolution and taking an active role in shaping the future of the internet. The easier it is to use, the more people will join and build. .pi domains are designed to be intuitive and accessible, encouraging widespread adoption of the Pi network and fostering a vibrant community of builders and innovators. .pi domains are the key to unlocking the full potential of the Pi network. They simplify transactions, enhance user experience, and create a more inclusive and accessible digital economy for everyone. Don't miss your opportunity to be part of this new digital frontier. Claim your .pi domain today and join the PI network community in building a more user-friendly and decentralized internet for all. It's an investment in your digital future and a chance to be part of something truly revolutionary. The Pi network just launched a major update to its .pi domain auction system. The goal? Make the process fairer, more transparent, and focused on real utility, not speculation. Previously, many bought domains just to resell them, locking up valuable names. The new system shifts focus to actual use, not hoarding. With a standalone auction app and a powerful statistics page, users can now make smarter, informed decisions. This update lays the groundwork for a thriving, accessible Pi ecosystem as the network prepares for its next phase. The new auction statistics page, it's designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the .pi domain auction landscape. We've listened to your feedback and created a tool that puts valuable insights right at your fingertips. Is your command center for .pi domain auctions? Think of it as mission control, giving you the data you need to navigate the auction process with confidence and precision. This is where you'll find all the key metrics to inform your bidding strategy. No more guesswork. Bidding in the dark is a thing of the past. We're bringing clarity and transparency to the auction process, empowering you to make smarter decisions. See Total Auctions, giving you a sense of the overall activity and scale of the .pi domain market. This number reflects the vibrant and growing community participating in these auctions. Total Pi bid, representing the cumulative value of all bids placed. This provides a real-time indicator of the economic activity within the auction ecosystem, and unique bidders at a glance. This metric shows the breadth of participation, highlighting the diverse community of pioneers vying for their desired domains. Track the hottest domains, identifying which names are generating the most buzz and attracting the highest levels of interest. Stay ahead of the curve by knowing what's trending. Highest bids, giving you insight into the upper limits of the market and the potential value of premium domains. And recent sales, providing a historical perspective on completed transactions and domain valuation. Analyze past performance to inform your future bidding strategies, to spot trends and set your strategy. Identify emerging patterns, understand market dynamics, and refine your approach to maximize your chances of success. It's like a stock market index for domains, providing a real-time snapshot of the market's health and performance, helping you time your bids with precision. Knowing when to enter the fray can be the difference between winning and losing, and avoid overpaying. Make informed decisions based on market data, ensuring you're getting the best possible value for your Pi. Transparency levels the playing field, giving every pioneer access to the same critical information, making it harder for a few to dominate. This fosters a more competitive and equitable environment for all participants. You can now make informed, strategic decisions, backed by data and insights, rather than relying on gut feelings or speculation. Instead of bidding blindly. Eliminate the uncertainty, and approach the auction with confidence. This data-driven approach empowers every pioneer regardless of their background or experience. Not just the wealthy, who may have previously had an advantage due to access to private information or resources, or experienced. Even newcomers can quickly get up to speed and compete effectively with seasoned bidders. The statistics page is a game changer, transforming the way .pi domain auctions are conducted and perceived, for fairness and community growth. It promotes a more level playing field, encouraging broader participation and fostering a stronger, more vibrant Pi community. It's a crucial step toward building a more educated, decentralized Pi ecosystem. By empowering pioneers with data, we're fostering a more informed and engaged community, driving the growth and success of the Pi network. The auction system now has its own dedicated app, no more clunky navigation or slow load times. Built from scratch, it's faster, more intuitive, and designed specifically for domain auctions. Search, bid, and manage your domains with ease thanks to a clean, modern interface. Features like bidding, auction timers, and portfolio management are now front and center. The app can handle more users and complex features, ensuring a smooth experience for all. This move sets the stage for future upgrades and powerful new tools. The standalone app is a leap forward in usability and scalability. It's designed to welcome more pioneers and support a growing global community. Expect even more features as the platform evolves. Domain squatting, buying up names just to resell them, hurts innovation and fairness. It blocks developers and entrepreneurs from getting the names they need to build real projects. Squatting concentrates value in the hands of speculators, not creators. The Pi Core team is actively fighting this with new rules and transparency. The focus is shifting from speculation to real utility. Future mechanisms will require domains to be used, not just held. This ensures .pi domains power real apps, businesses, and communities. The goal-reward contribution, not hoarding. .pi domains are meant to be tools, not trophies. Their true value comes from powering real apps and services in the Pi ecosystem. The core team is rolling out developer tools, SDKs, APIs, to make integration easy. Imagine logging in, making payments, or joining communities with your .pi domain. For users, it's a single, portable identity across all Pi services. The network will promote and reward innovative uses, driving real demand. As more useful apps launch, .pi domains become even more valuable. This creates a positive cycle of building and growth. Utility, not speculation, is the future of .pi domains. Want to win a .pi domain? Start with a strategy. Choose a name that fits your long-term goals, whether for a project, business, or personal identity. Use the auction statistics page to research prices and competition before bidding. Set a budget and avoid bidding wars. Plan how you'll use your domain wallet app or community hub. Domains with real utility may be rewarded in future updates. Be patient. You might not win the first time, but new opportunities arise daily. Focus on meaningful, useful domains, not just popular ones. Smart, patient bidding pays off in the long run. Your domain is your key to the Pi ecosystem. Make it count. This update is just the beginning for .pi domains. The next phase will bring developer resources, SDKs, APIs, and unleash a wave of new apps. Expect features like one-click payments and decentralized websites using your domain. Non-developers will get easier ways to link domains to wallets, profiles, and apps. Your .pi domain will become your digital hub in the Pi network. Stay informed by following official Pi announcements and community discussions. The ecosystem is evolving fast. Don't miss out on new opportunities. The most exciting chapters for .pi domains are still ahead. .pi domains aren't just names. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with the internet. They're more than just addresses. They're a key to unlocking the true potential of Web3, offering a user-centric approach to the digital world. They're the foundation of a new, user-friendly Web3. Think of them as the essential building blocks upon which a more accessible and intuitive online experience is constructed. This new foundation prioritizes ease of use and empowers individuals to navigate the decentralized web with confidence. They replace complex wallet addresses. No more struggling with long strings of characters. .pi domains offer a simplified alternative, making transactions and interactions within the Web3 ecosystem far more manageable for everyone, with simple, memorable identities. Imagine being able to share your digital identity with ease, using a name that's both recognizable and easy to recall. This is the power of .pi domains, creating a seamless and user-friendly experience in the often complex world of Web3. The real value comes from active use. It's not just about owning a domain, it's about putting it to work, integrating it into your online activities, and leveraging its potential to connect with others and build something meaningful. Apps, wallets, communities, and businesses. .pi domains are designed to be versatile, serving a wide range of applications, from streamlining transactions within your favorite apps to creating a cohesive brand identity for your business. A vibrant network is built on domains that serve real purposes. The strength of any digital ecosystem lies in its utility and the value it provides to its users. .pi domains are designed to foster genuine engagement and practical applications, not just speculation. We're moving away from the era of empty promises and towards a future where digital assets are grounded in real-world use cases and tangible benefits. .pi domains empower users to control their digital identity. Take ownership of your online presence and curate a digital persona that reflects your values and aspirations. And data. In an age where data privacy is paramount, .pi domains offer a secure and decentralized way to manage your information, putting you in control of your digital footprint. This is a shift from corporate control to individual ownership. The power is shifting from centralized entities to the hands of the users, fostering a more equitable and democratic digital landscape. The new auction system is a call to action: build, create, and innovate. The .pi domain space is a canvas for innovation, inviting developers, creators, and entrepreneurs to explore new possibilities and push the boundaries of what's possible in Web3. Whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or everyday user, your domain is your gateway. It's your entry point to a world of decentralized applications, communities, and opportunities. By focusing on utility, the community can drive the Pi network toward a decentralized future. Together we can build a more open, accessible, and user-friendly internet, powered by the collective efforts of a vibrant and engaged community. Claim your place and help shape the next era of the internet. Be a part of the movement that's redefining the digital landscape and empowering individuals to take control of their online destinies.